national capital remains on a high alert as it fear of flooding in the city. Right now we are present at the Monastery Market and you can clearly see the visuals from this particular place, and you can see how people are now shutting their shops, and you can clearly see the entire market has been closed just because of the situation. And right now we are showing you how the water of Yamuna has started reaching this particular market, and which is leading to the flooding in the particular area. In 2020-23, the entire market was submerged in water, and that's why administration has been alerting these shopkeepers to empty their shops so that they can prevent themselves and their products, their clothing from the from this particular water and flooding. So the situation is very alarming, as it is also being said that the more water is likely to reach national capital in the Yamuna, and that's why more water can reach to this particular market. And clearly you can see the visuals, logs have been put up in each shops, and the shopkeepers have put their things that were inside the shops to they have taken to their homes. They have shifted their things to the another place so that they can protect their things, and it's a very hard thing for them also, as it is affecting their earning. And as you can clearly see the visuals, the shopkeepers have in fact moved from here. भैया आपसे भी बातचीत करना चाहेंगे, क्या नाम है आपका?
अभी तो बताए थे मैम।
हाँ, फिर से हम जानना चाहते हैं कि किस तरीके से हालात जो हैं वो बन रहे हैं और आप लोगों को कितनी चिंता है?
चिंता तो विषय यही है मैम कि बस जमुना का जो जलस्तर है वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, और अभी कह रहे हैं कि और भी पानी आने वाले हैं, तो लोग यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा मतलब यही उसमें है कि खतरे में है, बस और क्या बोलूँ इससे ज़्यादा।
दुकानें हम देख रहे हैं बंद हो गई, आपने भी अपनी दुकान बंद कर दी है?
जी मैम, वो तो खाली करना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि पिछले बार जो 2023 का हम इतिहास उठा के देखते हैं तो पिछले बार काफ़ी बारिश आ गया, तो पिछले बार की जो हम जो डरे हुए हैं इसकी वजह से पहले से सामान हम लोगों ने हटा दिए हैं।
अभी भी आप लोगों को कुछ बोला जा रहा है, अवेयरनेस की
बोला जा रहा है ये कि जो गवर्नमेंट का आदमी आते हैं वो कहते हैं कि अभी पानी और छूटा है तो और भी बढ़ सकते हैं पानी, बस यही बताया जाता है, यही सूचना मिलते हैं मैम।
कुछ राहत की उम्मीद कर रहे हैं?
राहत की उम्मीद जब भी होंगे ना, जब सरकार आन के खुद देखेंगे, ये उनकी सब्सिडी जब हमें तक पहुंचेगी तब पता चलेगा ना कि हाँ राहत मिल रहा है। अभी तो खैर कुछ भी राहत नहीं मिल रहा है।
Definitely, people are suffering with the smiley faces, but yes, it's, they are hoping that the government will do something for them, as their shops are closed. And in fact, they're also telling us that in 2023 also they have suffered from a lot of loss, and now also the situation is very alarming, and they have shut all their shops, and even their houses are nearby the area, and the flood water can reach to their residence. So it's very alarming, and you can clearly see how the people have shut their shops. And in fact, if we talk about the current situation, the Yamuna river is flowing above the danger mark, and evacuation have been started in the low-lying area in the national capital. I'm Arzu Said with video journalist Avinash for NewsX in Delhi.